Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. I'm gonna go on the other side. Come in. Oh. Wow. Did you build all this?
Except for the box. Okay. I got that from,
Yes, sir. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
John Sliker. I got 2 Virginia Town Team 18s, 2 British Golden Elite ones, and 4, I got 4 Elite ones, 2 for the front doors and 2 for the subs.
Awesome. Wow.
I get that AC going.
Yes, sir. Nice. How's your battery and alternator power?
I have C-Max.
Oh, okay. Got it. There it is.
120 amp hour.
Okay. Sweet.
Got a McMahon 370. I'm fixing to upgrade. The guy that does the Durango is going to build me the 6-order for 418s. I got 4 of them.
And a B-pillar?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, C-pillar.
C-pillar. Okay.
I want to do a C-pillar. I want 4 seats to be able to...
Yes, sir. So what are you peaking at, around 32 to 34? Do you not know?
Not even sure.
No? Wow.
I know I had a meter in here and I hit 155.
155? Okay.
That's with a different set of subs.
Okay, so you've changed subs since then. Got it. How do you like them?
Oh, I love them.
You love them?
I have 5 of them. I blew 2 of them already because I put them around and the magnet's so big it was blocking the port, blew the foam out.
Oh, okay.
So I got recones so everybody knows not to block the ports.
Not to block your ports. Yep.
And I flipped them upside down and yeah, I'm trying to break these 2 new ones in.
Okay. Awesome. You have a good day. Nice to meet you, man. Really good job. Awesome.
Gotta be able to have 4 people in.
That's right. Yeah.
For the sport.
All right. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.